Diwali is yet to come. There are only 2 more days and look at this. These are all the sweets we just received now from our friends and our close friends, my dad's and my mom's friends. So like we have 2 more days to go and we'll be getting sweets all day till Diwali. This is just the first day and look at that. There are a lot of sweets already and we'll be getting these daily. So I'll be updating you guys that in this video. I'll be taking it daily and like joining the video. So now let me show you guys what all and who all gave this to us. Okay. I'll always go with this one because this was given by my mom's friend Devi auntie, and you know what, she will be the first one to send us Diwali sweets every year without any break. So as you can see, the box is empty because we got this 1 week before, and the sweet she sent us was really yummy. So thank you so much Devi auntie. So guys, the next person is my dad's friend Santosh uncle, and these two were sent by him, and the sweets he will be giving us without fail every year, and he'll be giving us something special with these sweets. As you can see, this one. Now I'm going to unwrap it. Before that, I said you right, he used to give every year any gift along with the sweets. So this was the one he sent us last year. So let's unwrap it. Guys, the reason I'm going really fast is because I'm excited, and that's why I'm removing it so messy. Okay, so this is another one just like that. So let's take it out of the box. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Look at this, guys. The box is really beautiful. So thank you so much. So let's see what's inside the sweet box he sent us. Oh my god, there are a lot of sweets. So it's kind of challenge for me because I don't usually eat a lot of sweets and I don't like that much sweets. So let me try to say some of them. This is kind of a laddu, I think, and this is badshah, halwa and Mysore pak. That's all I know, guys. So yes, this was the sweet. So these 4 were given by Santosh uncle. Thank you so much. So guys, the next one is these 3, and you know what? These were sent by my dad's association, which is CCTA, Coimbatore District Car Traders Welfare Association. So let's see what's inside this sweet box. I've already opened it. Wow, there are a lot of sweets. And these 2 are some snacks. We'll not open it now. Like when I open, I'll show you guys. So that's what we got today. Hey guys, so I'm back with the remaining sweets we got for Diwali, and these were also sent by our friends. I'll take these 2. Guys, these 2 were sent by Deen uncle and Prema auntie, and you know what? These were handmade and homemade by Prema auntie. So thanks a lot for the effort taken and time spent to make this and give this to us, and it was really yummy, and thanks a lot. So guys, the next one are these 4. And you know what? These were sent by Tambu uncle, who's my dad's friend. So thanks a lot, uncle. Now I'm going to be opening these and showing to you guys. Now let's open it. Wow guys, these are cookies. Love cookies, so thanks a lot, Tambu uncle. Now quickly let's open the remaining. So I hope this is the sweet. The box is so beautiful. The sweets are looking so colorful. Thank you. So now let's open this one. Wow, this one is my favorite. Bengali sweets guys, it's really good, and you know what, these 3 boxes are not it. There is also this packet of snacks. So thanks a lot, Tambu uncle, we really loved everything you sent us. So guys, as you can see, the remaining 2 packets are these 2, and these are 2 packets of snacks, and this was sent by another friend of my dad, and I don't really remember his name, but thank you. Diwali is a festival of lights, and according to me, the best light that should ever glow is our mind. Always be happy and keep the people around you also happy, and that makes you happy forever.
It's just not about sending sweets every year, friends. It really shows how much we mean to them, and we are blessed to have such people in our lives. Thanks to all of you.
These are not just the sweets and snacks guys, there are yet a lot to come, and you know what, we are going to be engaged in something else for the upcoming days, and I'll be updating it in my YouTube channel, so you guys stay tuned. And once more, I wish you all a very safe and happy Diwali. It's me Sana signing off, and I'll catch you in my next video. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.